That's Slide 1, Advanced AI Video Creation Blueprint. Most AI video tutorials stop at type a prompt and hit generate. That's not creation, that's gambling. In this presentation, I'm going to show you the complete advanced system that professional creators use to produce consistent, high-quality AI videos at scale. We're not covering basics. We're covering strategy, scripting, advanced prompting, avatar workflows, cinematic control, automation, and publishing systems. If you're tired of inconsistent results and want a repeatable framework, this is for you. Slide 2. Without a system, every video is a gamble. Here's the hard truth. Most AI videos fail before they even render. Why? Because people start with the tool instead of the strategy. They type, create a video about productivity, and wonder why it looks like everyone else's content. Generic prompts produce generic output. No audience research means you're creating for nobody. Inconsistent characters make your brand look amateur. And if your hook doesn't grab attention in the first 3 seconds, the algorithm buries you. Without a system, every video is a new project. That's not a workflow. That's a headache. Slide 3, the 8-phase AI video production system. This is the system. 8 phases, each building on the last. Strategy and audience intelligence, script engineering, visual system design, advanced prompting, avatars, voice cloning, and presenter workflows, cinematic control, AI-powered editing, and automation with a publishing strategy. The key insight: these are not independent steps. They are connected. Your script informs your visuals inform your prompts inform your cinematic choices. Everything feeds into your automation pipeline. When you run this as a system, you get consistency, speed, and quality. Skip steps, and you get the random results everyone complains about. Slide 4. Know your audience. Before you create a single frame, before you write a single word or generate a single image, you need to know exactly who you're creating for and what they need. Advanced creators use AI-assisted demand analysis. They look at what people are actually searching for, what questions they're asking in comments, and what problems they're venting about in communities. Then they map every piece of content to a specific intent. Is this for someone who wants to learn, solve a problem, make a decision, or buy a solution? When you align content with intent, your watch time goes up, your conversions go up, and your content actually serves a purpose. Slide 5. Scripting is engineering, not writing. Scripting is not writing. It's engineering. Every second matters. Your hook has 5 seconds to make someone stay. The best hooks do one of 3 things: promise a transformation, reveal a mistake, or ask a question the viewer desperately wants answered. Then, retention. The human brain checks out every 8 to 12 seconds unless something changes. So you engineer pattern interrupts, a new visual, a new fact, a zoom, a cut, a sound effect. Something must shift constantly. And finally, your call to action. One action. Not subscribe, like, comment, share, and buy. That's amateur. One clear action that moves the viewer to the next step. Slide 6. Story structure converts viewers into believers. AI can generate stunning visuals. But stunning visuals without a story are just eye candy. The structure that works is timeless. Problem. Agitation. Solution. Proof. Transformation. Start with the problem your audience feels. Agitate it. Make them feel the cost of not solving it. Introduce your solution. Show proof. Results, before and after data. And finally, paint the picture of transformation. Every scene must advance this narrative. If a scene doesn't serve the story, cut it. AI visuals are servants to the story. The story is king. Slide 7. Build a visual system, not just individual videos. This is where most AI video creators fall apart. They generate a character for video 1, and that character looks completely different in video 2. The lighting changes. The style changes. The environment changes. And the audience subconsciously thinks amateur. Advanced creators build a visual system. A character Bible. Name, age, appearance, clothing, expressions, voice. A scene style guide. What does the lighting look like? What color grade defines the mood? And a brand consistency kit. Fonts, colors, lower thirds, transitions, and end cards. When you systematize your visuals, every video looks like it came from the same premium production house. That's how you build trust at scale. Slide 8. 7 layers. Separate precision from guesswork. Prompting is not typing what you want. It's engineering what you get. 7 layers. Subject. Who or what is the focus? Environment. Where is this happening? Action. What is moving? Camera. Lens type. Angle. Framing. Movement. Lighting. Direction. Quality. Mood. Time of day. Style. Photorealistic. Cinematic. Anime. Quality. Resolution. Detail level. Render engine. Stack these 7 layers and you get precision. Advanced prompting also uses negative prompts to exclude what you don't want. No extra fingers, no blurry faces, no distorted text. And critically, use seed numbers for consistency. The same seed with a slightly modified action prompt gives you the same character in a new pose. For image to video, control motion through hierarchy. Camera movement first, then character, then environment, then secondary details. Small, realistic movements always outperform exaggerated ones. Slide 9. Avatars are not a gimmick. They're a scalability tool. When you build an AI avatar with a consistent identity, you can produce presenter-led content without being on camera every time. The right way starts with a detailed avatar specification, appearance, voice characteristics, speaking style, and emotional range, then voice cloning. Train a model on your voice or a professional voice actor, control tone, pacing, and emotion, then lip sync. The avatar's mouth movements must match the audio naturally. The best tools now support multilingual lip sync. One script becomes 10 languages with perfect mouth alignment. When systematized, you produce presenter content at 10 times the speed of traditional filming. Slide 10. Cinematic control is what separates professionals. This is where AI video separates hobbyists from professionals. Cinematic control. Camera movement tells the audience how to feel. A slow dolly in creates intimacy. A fast tracking shot creates energy. A static frame creates authority. Lens choice matters. 24 mm for wide environmental shots. 50 mm for natural human perspective. 85 mm for portraits that isolate the subject. 100 mm for detail and texture. Lighting is mood. Key light for the subject. Fill for shadows. Rim for separation. Golden hour for warmth. Blue hour for mystery. And pacing. Fast cuts for excitement. Long holds for reflection. Master these 4 elements and your AI videos look like they came from a film studio. Slide 11. AI editing multiplies output. Without multiplying, time editing is where good footage becomes great narrative, and AI is revolutionizing this phase. Auto B-roll insertion means your editing software reads the script and automatically suggests or inserts relevant secondary footage. AI-generated captions are now style-aware. They match your brand fonts, colors, and animation style. For music, AI tools generate emotion-matched tracks, separate stems so you can adjust vocals or instruments, and adapt tempo to match your video pacing. And sound effects, ambient room tone for realism, transitional whooshes for movement, impact sounds for emphasis. The AI editing workflow doesn't replace the editor, it makes the editor 10 times faster and more precise. Slide 12. One video becomes a content engine. This is where the system becomes a machine. Automation. First, templates. Your intro, outro, lower thirds, transitions, and end cards are pre-built and brand consistent. Every video starts with the same professional foundation. Second, batch production. Write one master script with variable placeholders. One script becomes 10 personalized videos. Third, repurposing. One long-form video becomes 20 derivative assets. Shorts for YouTube. Reels for Instagram. Carousels for LinkedIn. Threads for X. Blog posts from transcripts. Podcast episodes from audio. Email newsletters from key insights. When you build the automation pipeline, you're not creating one video. You're creating a content engine. Slide 13. Quality control is what professionals never skip. Quality control is what separates professionals from amateurs. Before any video leaves your system, it passes 4 checks. Continuity. Does the character look the same in every scene? Is the lighting direction consistent? Is the environment coherent? Identity. Does this video match your brand? The fonts, the colors, the voice, the tone. Audio. Is the voice clear and front? Is the music supporting without overpowering? Are there no clips, distortions, or sync issues? Bad audio kills great video. And compliance. Do you have rights to every asset? The music, the images, the likenesses. Are you following platform guidelines? Run this checklist on every video. No exceptions. Slide 14. Publishing is strategy, not just uploading. Publishing is not uploading. Publishing is strategy. Your title formula is simple. Desired outcome plus time frame plus curiosity. This formula consistently outperforms generic titles. Your thumbnail needs 4 things: a human face, eyes create connection, emotion, surprise, curiosity, determination, contrast, high contrast between subject and background, and curiosity. The thumbnail should ask a question the viewer wants answered. For SEO, optimize everything: title, description, tags, chapters, transcript, and closed captions. The algorithm reads all of it. And analytics, track CTR, average view duration, engagement, and conversion. Use the data, iterate. Every video should be better than the last. Final call to action. If this system resonated with you, here's what to do next. First, download the complete PDF guide from the link below. It's the full framework with templates, checklists, and prompt formulas you can implement immediately. Second, subscribe to this channel because we're releasing deep dive tutorials on every phase we covered today. Third, drop a comment telling me which phase you want me to cover first. I'll prioritize based on what you need most. The creators who build systems today will own the category tomorrow. Start building yours now.